Right, second Iboost. Does not power on. Let's see what we can see here. Second one I've seen like this. Whether the customers are like unplugging the fan when they're taking it to bits and then just not plugging it back in, or whether they're just getting them like this, I don't know. But fan not being plugged in is really not a good sign for the bridge rectifier. Yeah, that's not a good sign either. It's like it's been arcing or something. So yeah, test the fuse, and the fuse is no more. No beep or anything. But this is your bridge rectifier, and it's not happy. It's really not happy. It's not supposed to beep. So yeah, that's shorted. So this is another one that I've got here, and it doesn't beep. I'll kind of do one bloody end. Yeah, it doesn't beep on those two. Essentially, it's just two diodes inside that package. So if you switch the probes and do it the other way, it beeps as well. So we have a wire. So right, I'm waiting for the bridge rectifiers to be delivered. There's supposed to be some more coming today, so hopefully we'll get that swapped out and then it should fix it. Okay, 2 new bridge rectifiers from China, and then 2 fuses there as well, so sorted. Let's get it fitted. Right, so that's one. That's the old one. It shouldn't beep like that. And this one is the new one. As you can see, that's not shorted. Look at that fuse holder, it's been getting rather warm. So yeah, place the bridge rectifier and the fuse. So we'll plug it in, see if it works. Well, yeah, we're on. Just got to get it back together now and send it back to the customer. That's 2 of 2 fixed. Now we've sent that one back, and then I've got a third one to look at now.